Hey, what's up guys? This is Scott with Android Guys, and I'm going to do another quick look. This time we're going to look at an app called BuzzDeck. It's from the guys at Mippin. Had a little post up today on the site, and you'll see this, I believe, Monday it'll be available. Basically, it's a selection of cards. There's some predetermined cards or preloaded cards. There's technology, celebrities, news. But what they are, based on the category, let me get in a little bit here, is you'll see that there are different news sources for each category. So for instance, let's go over to celebrities, and if you want you can zoom in and you'll see that there's Gawker, Perez Hilton, a blemish, different sources under celebrities. We'll go back. If you go into technology, for instance, you want to zoom in, you can do that. But you can do, there's your article, and you'll see that it scrolls very quickly. Looks nice, loads quickly. You can close that from here. Now if you want to share it, you like the article, you want to share it to somebody, with somebody, you've got your different sources there, depending on what's loaded on your phone. You can also favorite that or like that, and it'll start recommending content for you based off of your preferences. So it's kind of like what you have with the application, I believe, iMeme.
As you start to give it a thumbs up or a heart rating, you'll get tailored content based on your preferences. And my dog in the background there. So we'll zoom out and go into the next category. I added a Twitter card to it here. Funny stuff. There's some that are preloaded, but you can take them off. If you want to add one, you just hit Add Card, and then you pick your category. These are streams, so these are going to be your categories. So let's say, for instance, let's pull up gadgets. And it'll compile news from different sources. And we'll see what they are. The Gadgeteer, Crunch Gear, and Gadget. If you want to read one, you saw it quickly. Now you can configure it, and you can tell the app, if you, BuzzDeck, if you want to remove the card from the app, so you can get rid of it. Oops, there we go. And you'll see at the top there's a little indicator, shows you what card you're on relative to the end. Now the Twitter one doesn't allow you to actually send any tweets that I can find right now, other than right in here, what are you doing? But you don't have like a full pop-out app that, you know, with a window to pull up your @replies and so forth. Just shows you the people that you follow, which for some people is all they really need. If you refresh, it refreshes all of your cards at once. So not just the one that you're looking at. And then I'll give you a feel for the different cards that are going to be loaded on here. There's your streams, social network cards. I have the Twitter one. Facebook is on there by default. I took that one off. There's MySpace. Depending on what you use, you can add those to that. And then you also have your web services. So if you're big into Wikipedia, you can add that to it. You have a YouTube account, Yahoo, G-Reader, which is real nice, so you can actually log into that. So very nice. I've played with it here long enough to get a feel for how it works, and so far it's run very well. So far I've only played with it over my Wi-Fi connection, but I don't imagine that this would be slow on any type of edge. And of course 3G is going to be quick. So it's a nice little application. Again, it's BuzzDeck. The company is Mippin. Keep an eye out for them. This application should be in the market come Monday sometime here. And with that, we'll go ahead and end it, and we'll see you guys again soon.